I think I hear them. Let's go see. Yep, look at them. My babies. What y'all doing? Y'all all here? I made another raised bed today. That's why all this wood's all over the place. Oh, look. What are you doing back there? Come on, go. Uh-oh. What'd I do with the cup? Well, I know where another cup's in. Oh, nope, both cups are up there with the rabbit. What y'all doing, babies? Had somebody go get feed for me today and stock up on a little bit of other stuff. Not stock up, but come on, move. Come on. Come on, y'all gotta move. Y'all gotta move. Y'all know where to go. Come on, move. Gee, hard heads. Come on. Come on, little ones. Even the babies are following. Come on. We know where to go. Come on. We know where to go. Why are the babies following me? Oh, dang, where's your mama at? Come on. Come on, everybody. Come on. Y'all gotta move. Come on. No, you're going the wrong way, stupid. Come on, this way. Come on, Donald. Come on. Come on, Donald. What are you doing, retard? Get in there. You know where to go. Get in there. Go. Go. Well, Mama, you know how to get in there. Move. Yeah, go ahead. Try it, dude. Man, you're going to have issues here in a minute. You keep it up, I'm not even going to feed you. But yeah, I made another raised bed. My fever actually broke, and but I'm not gonna go out in public till I think my 14 days is I think the 7th. What y'all doing? Oh. So yeah, I won't be going into the public till the 7th. But yeah, oh, that would have been a big mistake. Done forgot the gate open. And yeah, so nobody's allowed at my house. I mean, they can come in, but they can't get near me, so. Yeah, let's go take a look at this bed I made. It's just something out of scrap wood. And like I said, I still do not have my weed eater. The weed eater head. And it's just, it is what it is for now. But yeah, I'm feeling a lot better. I actually planted some stuff, got some stuff cleaned up. All that's got to go to the burn pile, in which I'm wearing them burn bands. So but yeah, I got some of my peppers planted in there. Them peat pellets, like I said, I will not be using them again. And of course, I'm gonna have to get some stakes already. But yeah, this one here, I'm just gonna clear all that out, clear all the weeds out, and plant a bunch of peppers in there. About it. So, and then we're looking at rain. Hopefully, man, hopefully we get some rain. It's either one extreme or the next. But yeah, there's that purple flower. It's still purple, and that's the Thai chili peppers. That's what these are. This one, that one, and that one. So I've never seen them purple before, but hey, they're purple now. Okay. But yeah, I hope everybody's safe. Hope everybody's doing well. Apparently I just had a little cold, and that's all it was. That's such a pretty sight. All the flowers. And then my mom also said it could have been because I've been staying in the heat. I mean, we're We're hitting like high 8. Well, that's not the coneflower. What the heck is that? I have no clue what that is. It's a pretty flower though. I thought it was a coneflower like these. These are pastured coneflowers is what they're called. Those over there, I don't know, but they're pretty though. What? Huh. But yeah, that's my mom's, don't let her hear it, but that's her retard car. She bought that for it today because she said she didn't want the cat on it no more, so, which I don't blame her. I don't like the cat anyway, but I don't got no mice. Let's see what she was doing back there. Cutting eggs back there. No. Look back here. No. So I have no clue what she was doing. But yeah, this is the weed eater head. What happened, I don't know what happened, but this thing won't spin no more. The head won't spin. It'll spin on the inside, but it won't spin on the outside. And it's a detachable head, so. But I'm kind of wondering if that head would work. I mean, it's not a Ryobi, but it detaches also. So I might try that tomorrow, because I need to get my yard weed eater. It's starting to look like crazy. And then what I'm more than likely going to have to use on some of it is this bad boy. Yeah, I know. My shit is cluttered. Always has been. I'm going to have to use that bad boy. That's actually a blade that fits on the Ryobi. So I might have to use that bad boy on some parts. And there's my stinky old garlic. Oh, but yeah, like I said, and this one here, it's a good weed eater, I'm not gonna lie, but it's for like short people. Like I'm only 5'10", but yeah, you gotta bend down with that one. So this is for like kids or, you know, and it's not very powerful. It's I think it's a 2-stroke. Yeah, because it takes oil. Them two, that one right there and that one over there, they're straight gas. When you wind them up, they going. But yeah, made that raised bed today, planted some stuff, started some seeds in ground. Oh, y'all wondering what that is? Yeah, for my birthday a few years back, that's what I got for Christmas. That's when we had our fireplace. Yeah. Yeah, got that. Yeah. Yeah. Merry Christmas. And then for my birthday, a couple years back, when I had my bigger place, I got that for my birthday. I'm not too sure if y'all can tell what that is. It's a teeth post puller. And I also got that for my birthday. See how much my family loves me? It wasn't for friends, that was for family. That's my mom. Bought me a dang mother-in-law, a T-post puller, and then she bought me that. That thing is hard. If you got green wood, ain't splitting it. Not splitting it. Like green oak, nope, not happening. And I'm pulling that bad boy out tomorrow. And hopefully before it gets too hot, we're hitting 86. We're hot. We're not hot, not yet. I mean, when we're at 100 and something degrees, then we're hot. Right now, we're just really, really, really warm. Yeah, then I got to pull that bad boy out too, make sure, get it running. But alright, y'all. You have a good day. God bless. Stay safe. And stay home. Good night, y'all.